Hey guys, it's Joe with Vive Health, and I'm here today to answer a quick question that we get a lot on not only the Artic Flex knee ice brace, but all of the Artic Flex ice packs. And the typical question is, hey guys, how long do those ice packs last? And I'm here to tell you that the ice packs are lasting anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, and that just depends upon kind of your definition of how cold it is, but it's about 25 minutes. And another thing that people ask a lot is, are the ice packs heatable? Because the name is Artic Flex. It seems like maybe it's just cold. It's got that blue color that's almost like ice, but you can in fact heat them up. And what I recommend you do is put the packs individually into the microwave and heat them up for about 15-second intervals, because you don't want it to get too hot in one area. And then do that a couple of times till it feels hot for you. You don't need it scalding hot. And then you can put the packs in the same way. I have a video on how to put the packs in if you have any questions at all on that in this particular brace. But what I'm saying here is gonna apply for any Artic Flex ice pack, okay? So hopefully that is helpful for you guys. If you have more questions on the brace or you wanna know where to get one, you can look in the description, you can leave a comment. We'll look at all of that stuff and we'll get back to you with more helpful tips as soon as we possibly can. Thank you so much for checking out the video.